done this better. Alright guys. Could have planned this better. Alright, today we're gonna change the shifter knobs with the Mugen boot. Here, you know, we gotta extend it too. And you'll see this when I put it on. Alright, so never done this before. Let me see. I might have to take. I don't know, because I've never done this before. But I'm guessing I'm gonna have to take this, pop this off, and see what's up. So then, see if it pops up. Hopefully I don't break anything, because I usually break something. Usually. Take out the shifter. Damn shit hard. Disconnect this. Alright. Push that down. Through. It's gonna take forever. Alright, start taking the top part off. Pop that out. Pop all the edges. Try not to break it too, because it breaks easily. I'm about to take this off. Shit. I want to take all that shit off. After like forever, fucking, it took me forever, I'm not even lying. I found 2 bolts. Where the fuck would they put 2 bolts back there? I don't want to take off my radio because it's ridiculous. But I guess I'm gonna have to take all those bolts. Does not reach. Of course. Get something longer. So what I didn't want to do, I had to remove the stereo fucking deck. But this fucking boot better fucking last 20 years, I swear. It better last 20 damn years. Cause it's hella shit. Alright. I'm guessing I'm gonna have to push this up because you see all it is down there. So let's see if it works. So I looked, well, I tried looking this up before in the past. How to change the boot. No, nothing. For no chords, nothing. So, I found that you have to take out the damn, whatever you want to call that, the cigarette thing. It comes out. There. Right there is what it is. I've been struggling all damn day, and that's all I need to take out. I don't even think I had to take out my freaking radio, but it's alright, as long as this shit gets done. And I'm not trying to like break anything, because I'm trying to put it back clean. I don't want to have to break all this stuff just to get it. I want to actually take it out piece by piece and put it back in like nothing happened. That's all. Once you take out that screw, well, you gotta take these off wires, but once that comes off, fucking the whole thing comes off. Hopefully I help out all you cord guys that want to change the boot on this, because there isn't really much shit about cords at all. Once you take the boot out, turn it around, there should be 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, so I'm popping everything back, pushing it back in. I took it out. Whew. It's been crazy. I guess I didn't have to take out my radio, but fuck it. Alright, now put all this stuff back in. I think I did it wrong. Damn it. I did, because this white part's not supposed to be showing. It's supposed to be over that. Fuck. I don't know if I should just leave it like that or fix it. I think I'm gonna have to fix it. Alright guys, fixed it. Looks flush. Looks good. It took 10 hours. Didn't take 10 hours, but it took a bit. Fixed it, looks good. The next step. You know I had to go with one piece. I had to get one. Ooh, it's gonna be nice. Look at that. That looks fresh. the long shifter. And the moment you guys been waiting for. Actually, probably not. You guys probably don't care, but I had to get a Dragon Ball. I love Dragon Ball Z. Love it. Anything Dragon Ball, Dragon Ball Z, whatever the new ones. Super, GT. I haven't really seen Kai that much, but how sick is that? The 4-star. But yeah, put that on. Came with these little adapters. See which one fits better. See which one fits better. I'm gonna go smaller. Let's see. Let's try this one. Shit, I'm trying not to lose it. Shit, what am I doing? Wrong way. Nope. And I guess the last one. This looks better. More promising. Alright, I got that. Now for the Dragon Ball. That is sick. I'm gonna go like that with a 4-star. That looks pretty cool. Let's get a longer view from the outside. That took, literally, it took forever. Now that I look at it, it's worth it. We'll definitely go for a little test drive. I can just put the car back together. So I put that screw in. This is the cover. No idea it came out. I guess I do now. Okay, or so other bolts. I know we have bolts around here. Alright guys, thank you for watching the video. Hope you learned something or it's useful for Accords. And yeah, if you're watching this, before you do it, don't take out the radio. You don't need to. It's fine. You can leave it there. What else? Oh yeah, I didn't put this in the video. I said I would, but your center console thing, on the sides there's 2 screws that you take off. Then open it, and the bottom part of it there's 2 more screws that you take off. And your cup holder, take it out, and there's 1 more screw. And that's how you do that. I didn't put that part because I don't know, I should have. Didn't record it. But yeah, that's pretty much it from that. And after that, it's kind of a hassle. It's not really a hassle, but it's just, if I do it now, I'll probably get it done like 30 minutes or less or whatever. But make sure you guys like, subscribe. Thank you for commenting. I don't know. Alright, like, subscribe, comment, and enjoy the video, guys. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned. Tell your friends.